Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder, I'm a trainer and designer, and for the past 10 years I've been using Blocs for Mac to build over 400 beautiful websites without touching a single line of code. And today I'm thrilled to share with you the Blocs 6 Masterclass, my best course yet, designed to deliver maximum value in the most efficient way. Whether you are a beginner or advanced user, this course, the Blocs 6 Masterclass, has something for everyone. You will not only master the fundamentals, but also learn the entire process of making professional quality websites from scratch. I will be showcasing all of the new features of Blocs 6 and share with you my best workflow tips refined over a decade of experience using Blocs. Plus, you will discover how to create high conversion landing page which works for any app, product or service. The course is structured into 5 modules: overview, website setup, website build, advanced website build, and finally optimization and publishing. And the titles for the lessons refer to the main topic of that lesson, but not limited to it, because I'm going to walk you through the whole process, step by step, of creating a real website without skipping anything. So if you are ready to take your web design skills to the next level with Blocs 6, let's get started.